I promise to love and respect you and stay committed to you. You've given me everything that a woman could ever dream of. You are my priest, my provider, and my protector. You are the man of my dreams, and I thank God for you. I love you.
Maybe I annoy you with my choices. Well, you annoy me sometimes too with your voice. But that ain't enough for me to move out and move on. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. We don't have to hurry. Well, you can take as long as you want. I'm holding steady. My heart's at home. With my hand behind you, I will catch you if you fall. Yeah, I'm gonna love you like the woman I love. Sometimes the world can make you feel you're not welcome anymore. And you beat yourself up, you let yourself get mad. And in those times when you stop loving that woman I adore, you can relax because babe, I got your back.
So let me just tell you a few things about this wonderful lady. This lady, honest to the bone, kind and loving, authentic. What you see is what you get. Loyal, loves to laugh, but can be tough, so don't mess with her.
I don't wish to change you, you got it under control. You wake up each day different, another reason for me to keep holding on. I'm not attached to any way you're showing up. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love.
So we came to this point, to the mercy and grace of God, and I thank Him, and thank you for Yolanda, who now I can honestly say is my bride.
I'm gonna love you. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna love you. 'Cause you're the woman
I see you as my wife before, I see you as my wife now, and I'll see you as my wife after.